Hello, today we are looking at a future Swisscom mobile phone base station location in Switzerland. On the 23rd of January 2011, we have realized a GPS recorded measurement. This means measured values for high as well as low frequency electromagnetic radiation can be easily viewed in Google Earth. At first, we filmed on site to look at the location from ground. We are now right at the planned location for the new base station, corner Wiehaldenstraße, Wolfhauser Straße, in the small town of Bubikon, Canton Zürich, Swiss. On this building, the Swisscom antenna is going to be installed. The owner is the local power company, exactly where the white red bar is on the roof. The antenna height is astonishingly low, especially if we are looking at the dense housing. Quite some residential buildings in just about 30 to 50 meters from the antenna that is going to be erected. We are in the middle of a pure residential neighborhood. Now we look at the top view from Google Earth on the building where a mobile phone antenna will be installed soon. This measurement was done to record the contamination with high frequency electromagnetic radiation before the antenna will be mounted and put into action. The measurement values of pulse radiation summed up from 27 to 3300 MHz can be seen as red line in the video. Minimum 0.1 microwatt per square meter, maximum 15 microwatt per square meter. There was a car passing while measuring. The driver was using his mobile phone. Average 0.6 microwatts per square meter. Those are really extreme low values to compare the official limits, which only protect you from not being barbecued in a few minutes, are 10 million microwatts per square meter concerning UMTS 3G. If we look at the additional recorded measurement of low frequency 50 Hz home power in light green that seems to be converted in this building, this could be a reason for the location. Residents are already loaded with low frequency, maximum about 500 nanotesla on the sideway. Measurement of high-frequency electromagnetic radiation will raise 100 to 10,000 fold from today's uncritical values after the new antenna is in service. This very low location will load quite some direct residents heavily with microwaves and in addition render their real estate unsellable or devalue it heavily. Now we are about 350 meters from the until now not installed mobile phone base station. There is a small protected zone for amphibians, frogs, dragonflies and so on. During shooting date, the small artificial lake was frozen up. We hope, due to its lower location, the small lake is a bit protected from the new antenna location. In any case, we will repeat this measurement to document residents' load that will occur with the new antenna. Thanks for watching. In case of questions, technical or others, please visit us online, microondes.wordpress.com. As displayed, you can get in touch with us checking the contact button.